Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi has appealed to all to participate in its January 31 public rally against the government of India. Addressing a press meet at its Imphal office, Cocomi convener YK Dhiren stated that the rally will begin at Tidim Ground, Kwakaithal at 10 a.m. and proceed through Tidim Road, Kashampat, Wahengbam Laikai, Nagamapal and Thangmaipen before concluding at Thal Ground, where a public meeting will be held. Dhiren appealed to people from all walks of life to seize their work on the day and participate in the rally, considering it their responsibility. He also sought support from transporters associations for public transportation, accusing the government of India of prolonging the crisis and subjugating the rights of Manipur's people by supporting the Chin-Kuki narco-terrorists. Dhiren maintained that the rally aims to raise a collective voice against such acts of the government of India. The Cocomi convener also demanded the resettlement of IDPs, safe passage on national highways, and an early resolution to the crisis.
Akadoriba tangkut hamathoi gi Khongchat asi maruoina ikoina Tidim ground dagi Kwakithen gi ayuk pung 10 ta motamda punbiraga Manipur gi tongan mafam dagi laiba sinpham khudimakte sinphang video khudimangna Tidim ground da pulla matungda Tidim ground dagi koi Tidim lambi sida kaltamna somda kaisam part fau pa haigal akanda kaisam patagi amu aikoi waheng laikai fauraga waheng laikai dagi Nagamapan taraga Nagamapan dagi Khuyathong taraga Khuyathong dagi Thangmaiban road chatlaga aikoi Thangmaiban gi Thangmaiban athletic union gi ground da aikoi miyam gi oiba public meeting amaga loinana airiba function asi pangtok jagani airiba Khongchat asi taruk yan minasi amasung mapun phan minasi habisi ai thamjage duga loinana airiba Khongchat asi mapung phan abagi damakta aikoina hana sumangjauna na thamjakre Manipur da lairiba sinpham khudimukta sinbang piriba punamakna isa gi sinpham du nongmagi oina madu thadok pirakanda airiba Manipur Kanba Khongchat asida saruk yaminasi aikoi saruk yamina baglona leipak khunai se tangdu leita ba khunai ma oina bohona bada isagi responsibility sagi thogai du longminasi